Hi guys, my name is Noni Matigela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Guys, do you remember when the five accused men that are accused of killing Senzome, shooting and killing Senzome Yua, when they first appeared on the on the 27th of October 2020 in Boksburg Court? Do you guys still remember that day? Do you still remember how it was called the buzz on social media? And then eventually we heard the news that they were refusing to enter the dock because they are like, "Sizoyenzani la? Yini? Sizoyenzani la? Uyabazi ke ngani?" Anyway, I'm reminded of this because I don't know what I was searching something and then I came across this article from 27 October 2020 by Jacaranda FM. It's about that. We did not kill Senzo Miwa. Suspects claim in dramatic first court appearance. Like we were all thinking, yo, these guys are being dramatic. And they were like, no, see, yonto apa, asihlangani, asingeni ndawo. And they did not go to the dock. They refused. The five men charged with the murder of former Bafana Bafana Captain Senzo Meyiwa have denied the allegations made against them. Muzawukhulelwa Sibiya, Bongani Ndanzi, Mthobisi Mncube, Mthokoziseni Maphisa, and Sifiso Kuhle Ntuli appeared in the Boksburg Magistrate Court for the first time on Tuesday. They are facing charges of murder, attempted murder, robbery, and possession of unlicensed firearm. Masqala kule part. Okay, masqala kule part yoba. They are facing, okay, before we come to the part where they are facing charges, ne? Let's start with this part. They have denied the allegations made against them. They have denied the allegations. Guys, if you think about it and you are watching the case and you are religiously watching it, you follow it, you understand what's going on there, and you are for the justice, then you would understand that there's so much evidence that came through that courtroom. And that evidence has proven that these guys, these allegations against them, no, they are not sticking. It's not making sense. It's not make sure. Mngomezulu even went as far as saying the case has been manufactured, the case is being cooked, pochi course, all of those words that he used when he came through at a later stage. And then now we are where it says that they appeared in court and they are facing charges of murder. The charge of murder, that would be killing. Why is it they? Why is it they? Or is it because the situation of the common cause? Then it will be they are facing. I want us to go through these things. They are facing charges of murder, attempted murder. So the person that died, there is sense of who was attempted to be killed. I don't know, I could be wrong. I need someone to remind me who was attempted to be killed. Who else had an injury except for Senzo? So when they say attempted, what are they talking about? Robbery, what was robbed? They claim it's a cell phone, but those details are very sketchy. And then possession of an unlicensed firearm. Were they all in possession of this unlicensed firearm? Or was it one person that was allegedly in possession of the firearm? What is this? Was it found, Kubo, in all of them? Why is it being said they were in possession? They are claiming that the firearm that was found in IQ's Tree's house when he was being arrested for another matter is the one that killed Senzume. You are right. So why are they saying now they were in possession? What do they mean by that? Guys, those things, like these are the things the lawyers were supposed to be dealing with. These are the things that the lawyers were supposed to be dealing with. And this, in fact, these charges, they were supposed to challenge them. In possession of unlicensed firearm, who was in possession? Because Ntuli was not found in possession of that firearm. Ntanzi was not found in possession of that firearm. Sibiya was not found in possession of that firearm. Maphisa was not found in possession of that firearm. However, allegedly, Ncube was found in possession of that firearm, allegedly, by other police for another matter. So why are they being all said they were in possession of that? And the other one that needed to be challenged, attempted murder. Why is everyone said being attempted? Who did they attempt to kill? Who did they rob? No, man. And then it continues to say Meyiwa was gunned down in an alleged, you see, alleged robbery at the home of then-girlfriend Kelly Khumalo in Vosloorus, October 2014. The accused were in support of the media recording proceedings, with one of them stating that he wants the nation to hear the truth. Listen to this. These are the people that are being accused of deleting the most important person in the country, Senzo Meyiwa, the most loved person, Senzo Meyiwa, in the country. Ukula level kaMandela uSenzo babemthanda abantu. Yet, the people that are accused of murdering him, they agree to being photographed, to being live on television, because they have nothing to do with this. They're like, no, we want them. And then fast forward to the case being heard now in the court, and witnesses are called. They don't want to be seen on TV. What is that? The accused, they have no problem being seen on TV because they know they had nothing to do with the crime. But the people that were with Senzo, the police and all the other witnesses, they don't want to be seen. The witnesses don't want to be seen. Guys, what is that? What's with that now? They all abandoned their bail application. There were reasons. Ntanzi did not even abandon his bail application. There's a story behind that. We all know the story, right? I choose number 3. Mthobisi Ncube refused to get into the dock, stating that he has been in prison for many years and could not have been involved. Do you see this part? Yes, I choose number 3 is someone that is very stubborn, right? However, he didn't even know when Senzo died. That's why he would say this, because he got arrested in 2015. So he was not even aware when Senzo died for him to be, and maybe he thought it's something that happened in 2020. That's why he was like, I am now was in prison. He could not even register that Senzo was murdered in 2014. He was still outside of prison. Do you understand? Also, I choose number 4, which is Mapisa, also stated the same thing, apparently. So if that is the case, then they did not even know when Senzo died, these guys. They didn't even know. They were just shocked to be, what? For what? Yeah, but I think that's where their brains was going. The NPA Sipho Ngwenya described the claims of the accused in court as tactics. Wait, where is Sipho Ngwenya now? Someone please call Sipho Ngwenya up front. He needs to come in front and tell us, after all these revelations that happened in the court of Rata, which ones are the tactics now? What is he saying? I want to hear something from him. What is he saying now that we are here? Now that we are here and a lot has happened, uthini uSipho Ngwenya, because he said those were tactics. Maybe he was aligning with those things of icala liyaphikwa, icalwa ngokuphikwa, akekho umuntu oluvumayo. Maybe he was talking from that. But someone please get me that man, Sipho Ngwenya. I want to hear him. I want to interview him. I want to ask him, sir, as NPA, have you been following the case? Are you listening to what is happening in that courtroom? You said these guys were doing tactics. What are you saying now with what's happening inside that courtroom? What do you call it? Please tell us. He said, we are fairly pleased with what has happened today and with the work the police have done, but of course, more work will still need to be done, and we are not ruling out more arrests. Since 2020, they were not ruling out more arrests. Kelly Khumalo, whom inside the courtroom now, they claimed that she is the mastermind. She hired these guys to an alive Senzo, is still roaming the street of Gauteng and coming in and out of the country as she pleases, roaming the streets of South Africa as she pleases. Nothing happens to her, yet she's the mastermind. Guys, come on. Guys, come on. These people bayakuthanda ukudlala ngathi. Bayakuthanda ukudlala ngathi abantu. Because why is she not getting arrested, kaloku? Why is Kelly Khumalo not getting arrested? And then Uti, you must get used to the tricks of prisoners. They will decide if the posture they have taken will work in their favor. What matters is that they are all in custody. I want to hear from Ungwenya, guys. I don't know about you, but I want to hear from him because this made me laugh because the confidence that he had then, I want to see if he still upholds that confidence to this day. After every embarrassment that has shown out here, we've seen a lot. We've learned a lot about the state. We have learned a lot about the NPA. We have learned a lot about the judiciary. We have learned a lot about SAPS. So his confidence, is it still on that 100% that these were tactics when these guys were like, no, we're not going to enter the dock. Someone needs to tell us what's going on here. Who's Senzo? Why are we here? We don't know no Senzo. We don't know anything. And lastly, chances are, Untanze was like, huh? Huh? They do this when they get to court, Bona. Huh? Haike. Untanze was like, Mina Kininda, Angidlali nani. Angidlali nani. That's when Untanze was like, oh, not him. Me, Angidlali nani. I'm not going to do this with you guys. I am not doing this with you guys. That's when Untanze was like, no, not doing this with you. Even though Ning Shaile, you beat me up and beat me up and beat me up sharp, but I'm not doing this with you. I am not doing this with you. That's when because I remember there was a time Uma Pisa was nudging Untanzi like, Teta Fondini, Teta, Kuluma ndoda, silangi nxa yakho, Kuluma. Yo. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because at this point in time, do you guys remember who Gerinel used to also do up and down in court and confident? Yeah, they've got the right IQs. And he was worried, where is the mastermind? I think at some point, it also registered to him, but now, because now we evidence that is there. No. Anyway, what are your thoughts, guys? Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.